On behalf of the University of Alaska Board of Regents, faculty and staff and administration, I'm delighted to welcome you to Kodiak College's 2021 virtual commencement ceremony. Today we honor our soon-to-be graduates. Congratulations on receiving your degrees, awards, and certificates. We are so proud of your grit and your hard work and the commitment that you have made to this journey. This last year of your life has been difficult. You have, with the support of faculty and staff, managed many transitions and stuck with your educational goals through COVID. Congratulations on completing this step. It takes a community beyond that of the staff and faculty support at Kodiak College to get students to this point in time. To the family and friends watching today, thank you. Thank you for encouraging your student, thank you for supporting your student, and for the sacrifices you have made so that your student could earn their degree, certificate, or award. I would like to celebrate a few special categories of Kodiak students. First, I would like to recognize our Indigenous students with us today. We're so excited to have you here. I would also like to recognize those who served in the military or are currently serving in the military. Military service often requires educational goals be delayed due to deployment and multiple transfers. Additionally, I'd like to recognize our first-generation students. First generation means you're the first person in your family to graduate from college or university. We are so proud of each of you today and hope that your success paves the way for others in your life to follow in your footsteps. This year, we began a new tradition at Kodiak College. Each graduate will be given a sticker, which is an artistic depiction of our oil lamp representing celebration. The only way this sticker can be earned is for someone to graduate with their GED, associate's degree, or certificate. We ask that each graduate take a moment to reflect on the people who helped get them to this achievement and gift this sticker to someone, perhaps a mother, father, partner, child, sibling, best friend, faculty or staff member who supported them on their journey. Koyana. Oil lamps have been used by Indigenous people in the Gulf of Alaska for millennia. The lamp, lampak, is a sign of prosperity, cultural endurance, and celebration. We light our lamp to celebrate the achievement of our graduates on the ancestral homeland of the Alutiiq Sugpiaq people, upon whose land we live, learn, and celebrate today.
I'm Bruce Schultz, Interim Chancellor of UAA, and I'm incredibly proud to congratulate all of our graduates on your achievements. I would also like to congratulate your families, friends, and loved ones who have encouraged and helped you and who I'm sure are overjoyed today. This ceremony highlights the ways in which Kodiak College is deeply tied to the community. Whether you've earned your GED, a professional certificate, or an associate's or bachelor's degree, we are all celebrating together. We are lifting up each other's successes, and we are all dreaming about the future, a future that will be built by welders, teachers, nurses, entrepreneurs, and working people of all stripes. Now, I've been with UAA for nearly 30 years, and after all of this time, I'm still amazed by what our alumni go on to accomplish, by their impact on our communities, on our economy, our health, our education, and our happiness. I believe what makes alumni such a dynamic part of Alaska is their commitment to our state, their commitment not only to the land and the people, but to a way of life. As Alaskans, we all understand that the success of individuals and the success of our communities are linked. We all understand that your newly earned certificate or degree is a reflection not only on your hard work, resilience, and perseverance, but a reflection on the support you receive from your community. And as you move on to your next stage of your personal journey, I hope you remember this. I hope you will stay focused not only on your career and the benefits you receive from your education, but also on the ways in which you can give back to your communities, that you make Kodiak a great city and Alaska a great state. So once again, congratulations. I can't wait to see what you do with your degrees.
I'm excited to introduce our 2021 commencement speaker, Danella Liza Beltran. Danella came with her family from the Philippines to Kodiak in 2016. She graduated from Kodiak High School in May of 2018 and began her studies here at Kodiak College that fall. Today, she graduates with her Associate of Applied Science in General Business. Danella has worked at the college since summer of 2019, first as a student worker in student services and now in our business office. She has also served as the student government president since fall of 2019. It is my honor to introduce our speaker, Danila Liza Beltran.
Thank you, everybody. And thank you to Director Jacelyn Keys, faculty, staff, colleagues, friends, family, parents, and my fellow graduates. It is an honor to deliver the Kodiak College commencement address on this red letter day. Congratulations to you, my fellow graduates. I know it has been a challenging year for all of us, and we are graduating in the shadows of a pandemic and racial crisis. But we did it. You did it, and I am so proud of us. We persisted amidst challenges. I am the daughter of immigrants. My family and I moved here 4 years ago from the Philippines, hoping to meet the American dream. While I was in the Philippines, the American dream was so great. I thought everything here seemed much better than what we had in the Philippines, and that achieving the said dream was easy. However, I got slapped by the reality that it is not. It is difficult. Living in a new country or new environment, integrating new cultures and languages, and transitioning to a new school were challenging. I experienced culture shock. I could not communicate with others well, and I could not make any friends because of the language barriers. The new school structure and system were different from my previous schools. I remember the school was like a maze to me. I constantly got lost, and I could not ask for any help. I could not ask for directions because I barely spoke the language. Reminiscing, I realized it was often 3 words of motivation and reminders from people and myself that helped me thrive, kept me going, and boosted my confidence in the phase of change and challenges. For instance, whenever I make mistakes, I tell myself, nobody is perfect, and always forgive yourself. When I am afraid and stay in my comfort zone, my mentors, they remind me to try new things and that fear kills growth. When I procrastinate, my friends tell me to do it now. When I experienced discrimination because of my race and internalized it, I reminded myself that I am strong, I am enough, I am worthy, and to be the change that I want to see. When I am not focused, they remind me to be here now. When I hesitated to take opportunities, they say, go for it. I believe you and I support you. And whenever I am on the verge of giving up because of the tiring strain, my family, they remind me of these 3 words. Never give up. You see, words are powerful. And it only takes a few to cheer and motivate someone. So today, I encourage you to be a giver, be an inspiration, and start by saying 3 words. 3 words to yourself, your family, friends, faculty, and staff who impacted your life. Again, congratulations. Celebrate your victory. I thank you and I wish you all the best.
We take the occasion of commencement to recognize individuals who, through the course of their lifetime, have demonstrated outstanding creativity, scholarship, and service to others. Joining me and the entire University of Alaska Anchorage community in bestowing this honorary degree is Dr. Kitty Deal. education faculty member at Kodiak College. It is the University of Alaska Anchorage's privilege to confer upon Susan Malooten the Honorary Doctor of Humane Letters. For more than 30 years, Susan Malooten has been at the forefront of revitalizing Alutiiq culture and art in Alaska. Her journey into animal skin sewing came from her husband's request for a fur hat after bringing home a sea otter pelt. Her first garment set her on a decades-long journey to study the history, craft, and art of sewing animal skins and fur to design heritage pieces in the style and tradition of the Alutiiq people. Her journey was not easy, as the tradition of animal skin sewing had been lost through the generations, and she relied on elders' recollections of their mothers' and grandmothers' techniques for sewing. Mrs. Malooten spent years studying archival pieces from museums in Alaska to the Smithsonian and beyond, painstakingly deconstructing garments to examine their stitching, design, and artwork. Her dedication to learning and sharing her craft has rekindled the tradition of Alutiiq animal skin sewing in Kodiak. She's not only impacted her local community, but has helped educate people across the state of the history, culture, and art of the Alutiiq people. In part for her dedication to reawakening and revitalizing skin sewing in the traditional forms of the Alutiiq people, and so generously sharing her creativity, artistry, and culture in Alaska and beyond, UAA is proud to bestow an honorary doctorate of the Humane Letters on Susan Malooten. Thank you very much.
Congratulations on all your hard work you've done to get to this day of graduation. Would you please stand? By the virtue of the authority vested in me as Chair of the Board of Regents under the Constitution of the State of Alaska, and upon the recommendation of the chancellors and faculty of the University of Alaska, I confer upon you the degrees to which you are entitled, with all the rights, privileges, honors, and responsibility pertaining thereto. Graduates, change your tassels from the right side to the left side of your caps. You may be seated.
Graduates, this may be the end of your formalized educational journey, or it may be one step on the way to an additional degree. Whatever the case may be, know that you will always have a home at Kodiak College. We wish you the best, and on behalf of the staff and faculty who have been honored to be a part of your process in earning your degree, we ask that you check back in with us every once in a while and let us know how you're doing. This concludes our virtual ceremony. Thank you for joining us today.